fellow Singaporeans. In recent months, you must have undoubtedly noticed a concerning trend: the disappearance of greenery in Singapore. The reason for this unfortunate development is the extensive and indiscriminate cutting of trees all across our city-state. Trees are being stripped bare of their branches and leaves, not just along our roads, but also within our cherished parks and playfields. What was once known as the Garden City now appears sickly and unsightly. The question on everyone's mind is, who is responsible for this? Today, I stumbled upon a group of Indian workers who were about to cut down a healthy, thriving tree along Commonwealth Drive. I managed to capture this on video. Shockingly, this was the only tree that hadn't been reduced to a mere skeleton. When I inquired, they mentioned that HDB had instructed them to carry out these tree removals, and a company called A+ was the contractor responsible for the operation. The reason they provided was that there had been complaints about leaves falling onto the road. However, this particular stretch of road is practically deserted, as most of the HDB blocks are vacant due to sears. There were no branches obstructing the road whatsoever. When I asked who had lodged the complaints, they had no answers. Likewise, when I inquired which HDB office had given the order to cut the trees, they couldn't provide any information. Just yesterday afternoon, as I was driving along the AYE towards MCE, I witnessed 2 lanes of the highway being blocked by trees being ruthlessly chopped down. This is a grave matter. Trees are being reduced to their barest essence, stripped naked, and their branches loaded onto trucks and carted away. The pressing question remains, who bears the responsibility for these actions? Is it HDB, Town Council, NEA, or National Parks? There is a growing suspicion that these branches are being sold, and someone is profiting handsomely from this situation. The cutting of trees is becoming a regular occurrence, and I find it increasingly difficult to comprehend the reasoning behind it. Someone must be held accountable and provide the public with a clear explanation for these actions. What's particularly puzzling is the absence of environmental activists in this matter. If it is indeed the responsibility of HDB or national parks, there must be a thorough investigation into why they are reducing trees to their bare minimum and what becomes of the cut branches. Who is profiting from their sale and who benefits financially? It is imperative that someone raise these questions with the relevant authorities. Singapore's transformation into a garden city was a testament to the hard work of our founding leaders, and it is disheartening to see their legacy undone in such a manner. I urge you to share and repost this message until it reaches the ears of the appropriate authorities. You have my full permission to do so. Let's preserve the green heart of our city.